In today's video, I'm going to teach you Measure Tool. If you've ever needed a quick, precise way to check distances and angles in your design, this tool is your best friend. It's perfect for confirming spacing between elements, checking alignment, or understanding the exact angle of a slanted object. Everything happens in real time, and the feedback you get is clear and straightforward, so you can make confident adjustments without guessing. First, select the Measure Tool. You'll find it nested under the eyedropper tool in the toolbar. If you don't see it at first glance, hover over the eyedropper and look for the additional tools tucked underneath. Once the Measure Tool is active, your cursor will change, letting you know you're ready to measure. Now, click once to set your starting point, then drag to the second point you want to measure to. This could be from one corner of an object to another, from an anchor point to a guideline, or anywhere on your artboard. As you drag, a line appears between the 2 points to show your measurement path. Take your time placing the first and second points carefully. Zooming in can help you land exactly on an edge or anchor for more accurate results. When you release your mouse, you'll have a clear reading based on those 2 points. All the important numbers appear in the info panel. You'll see 4 key readouts. Horizontal distance, labeled H, tells you how far left or right your second point is from the first, measured along the x-axis of the artboard. Vertical distance, labeled V, tells you how far up or down it is along the y-axis. Direct distance, labeled D, is the straight line measurement between the 2 points, the exact length of the line you dragged, which is especially useful for diagonal measurements. Finally, you'll see the angle relative to the artboard axis. 0 degrees means perfectly horizontal to the right, 90 degrees points straight up, and other values indicate how your line sits relative to those axes. This is measured against the artboard, so it stays consistent regardless of zoom level. Remember, the values you see use your document's current units, and the info panel updates live as you drag, so you can fine-tune placement before you release. For extra precision, align your clicks with corners or anchor points and use guides and snapping to help you hit the exact spots you care about. That's all there is